Okay guys, welcome back on another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit on Exness Forex broker. I think a lot of you have difficulty in depositing on this broker. Now this is the video to show you how to deposit money and start trading on Exness Forex broker. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe now, because we would like you to get knowledge from this video, and also we being appreciated by you subscribing to our channel. So like this video, subscribe, share this video, and also commenting down the description what have you learned or which videos would you like us to make in the nearby future. Now, why are we recommending you to use Exness? Because Exness is the broker we recommend you to use. The link is down in the description. Hit the link in the description and sign up with the Exness at the moment. Why use our link for your account to be verified in just 2 minutes? Why? We made partnership with Exness, so whatever member will be signing up using our link, your account will be fully verified within 2 minutes. Now I'm going to show you why we recommend you to use Exness. First, Exness is a regulated forex broker which has been serving traders for over since 2008 up to 2022, so that is a lot of time. It's over 13 to 14 years Exness serving traders worldwide, in the whole world. Now this is the reason as to why, even if you go to Google and ask, is Exness a regulated forex broker, they can tell you Exness entitles are regulated by a host of financial regulatory organizations worldwide. The various entities Exness is covered by included: 1. Regulatory bodies or organization which regulate forex brokers who are serving or who are giving service to traders worldwide. One is called Sicily's Financial Services Authority. Another one is Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission. Now all these are forex regulation organization which give or which register brokers which are being regulated worldwide. So before opening up an account with a forex broker, you must first make research. Is this broker regulated? And if he or she is not regulated, then don't sign up a new account with that broker, because you'll be scammed. Even if that broker is regulated, see which regulation boards or organization registered this certain broker. So that's done. We recommend you to use Exness. Why? Exness is registered, well registered forex broker. Now without wasting time, I want this video to be short. I've already opened up my account. I've already logged into my Exness account. I'm going to show you how to deposit money using mobile money in Uganda. Actually, when you are depositing in your Exness account. So after logging in your account, you will come and tap on deposit. When you tap on deposit, they're going to bring you more than one deposit payment method you can use to deposit your number on your account. Now the first one, you can see we have a bank card. Another one is a mobile money. Another one is MyBooks. Another one is Perfect Money, Neteller, and Screen. Now for me, in this video I'm going to show you how you can deposit money using actually mobile money. For bank card, I'll make that video in another episode, but today I'm going to show you how to deposit money on your Exness account using mobile money. So you come and click on mobile money. So when you click on mobile money, they're going to ask you, choose which payment method you would like us to use. You will say mobile money. After actually typing on mobile money, they are going to ask you for the number you used to register. You tap on this number. So after tapping on this number, they are also going to ask you to choose which account are you going to deposit this money. Now at the moment I have two accounts. One is on MetaTrader 5, another one is on MetaTrader 4. So I'd like to deposit on MetaTrader 4. You choose MetaTrader 4. After, they are going to tell you the amount they accept you to deposit. It is starting from $10 to $1,000. You get it? So you have to put in, let me say, $20. But remember, me, if I'm putting $20, I must put it through my currency, like my local currency, which is UGX. I was put in 200. So when if I put in 200, I see the amount is being calculated automatically in dollars. Now this is $52. I'll click on continue. After clicking on continue, they are going to tell me that confirm the account where the money is going to be deposited, the amount of money you're going to deposit. Remember, if you want to deposit 200,000, remember to deposit on your mobile money amount, which is maximum to this amount you're going to deposit. If you're going to deposit 200,000, make sure on your account your balance you have like 22. I don't know whether you're together. If you're going to deposit 200,000, remember make sure that on your account you have 22. You get it? Why? For the transaction fees of the agent who's going to take this money. After you click on confirm, so after clicking on confirm, the transaction is going to process. So now after the transaction being processed, you will receive a notification confirming you to put in your pin. After putting in your pin code, the money will be automatically taken by the agent. After being taken by the agent, the system will process this transaction and the amount of money will be credited on your trading account. So after you after placing pay, they will automatically process this transaction of yours. Or if you don't have this amount of money and you like to go back and edit or put in like 100 UGX, which is like over $30, you can cancel this transaction and say leave page. So they take you back to the dashboard so that you can make another transaction. But in this video, just we wanted to show you how you can deposit money using mobile money on Exness. I'm going to make another video or another episode showing you another different payment method you can use to deposit money. If you're not a citizen of Uganda, I will show you another payment method you can use for those who are in other countries. So now the transaction failed. Why? We didn't complete it. Now after you depositing your money, it will be reflecting here on your dashboard $50. Then after, you can start trading. So now that's all we had for you today, guys. I've been showing you how you can deposit money on your Exness account and you start trading. So for those who have been watching this video and you haven't subscribed, I think this is the right moment for you to subscribe to our channel and also like it, plus commenting down the description. For the broker, we recommend you to use, like the video has said, we recommend you to use Exness broker. So the link is down in the description. Hit that link and open up your account with Exness, because we made partnership with Exness. Your account will be, if you use our link, your account will be verified within 2 minutes and start your trading journey. So after registering with Exness, we recommend you also to click down the description and also join our free Telegram channel where we upload signals on a daily basis for free to our community. But first rule number one, you must use our link to sign up with Exness, then you join our free Telegram channel. FX Dev, your mentors, signing out.